salad. No, not that salad, I mean Salad Kitchen. So, do you know what it is and what it does? Now I tell you what it is. If you didn't know, Salad is like free money generator. PS, not really. It just uses your computer power when your PC is AFK to render some stuff. So what it does? Salad is like a program that uses your computer GPU to render things for their customers. So when someone buys your computer to render like a game world, makes it and then gives you some money from it, and Salad takes the rest. Then you can spend the money on gaming gift cards and or money to PayPal. If you wanna see it, just buy them or download. The links are in the description. Wanna see how to use it? So you just click this salad icon that's here, and then you just click this and click chop. Now it does the chop and generates you some money using your PC. That simple. Subscribe for more videos like this.